This video is going to show you how to add staff members to your Halo Facility account. After you log into your Halo Facility account, navigate to the left-hand drop-down menu that says Facility and click Staff. This will bring up a list of all the staff members that are associated with that specific facility. At the top, just go ahead and click Add Staff and then enter the email address for the new staff member that you want to add. From here, you can scroll down and manually change what permissions they have, whether they can view or edit the information associated with that specific region, or if you want to add them as an admin to the account, just click Set to Admin and they will have full access and permissions for all the different areas. From there, you'll go ahead and click Add in the bottom right-hand corner, and that staff member will receive an email instructing them how to log in and view the Halo Facility account.